Most people get tax software wrong by assuming they all do the same job, but Intuit Lacert is designed specifically for professional accountants and tax preparers, and understanding its features can save you hours each season. Today, I'll share my usage experience and what you need to know before choosing it. Lacert handles both individual and business tax returns, including complex scenarios like multi-state filings, partnerships, and corporate taxes. One standout feature is its automated calculations. Enter your client data once, and the software ensures forms, schedules, and worksheets are all consistent. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how much time this automation can save. Manual cross-checking is drastically reduced. The software also includes robust diagnostics and error-checking tools. It flags potential mistakes, missing forms, or unusual entries before filing. This is crucial for avoiding penalties or audit triggers. In my experience, Lacert caught several inconsistencies I would have missed, which is invaluable during tax season. Integration is another strong point. You can import data from QuickBooks, Excel, or other accounting software, reducing duplicate entry. Most people get this wrong by not leveraging imports. They spend the necessary hours re-entering data that Lacert can handle automatically. One consideration is cost and complexity. Lacert is not for casual users. It's built for professionals who handle multiple clients and complex returns. If you're filing your personal taxes, simpler software may be a better fit, but for accountants, it's comprehensive, reliable, and efficient. In conclusion, Intuit Lacert is a powerhouse for tax professionals. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another tax software, but its automation, diagnostics, and integration make it essential for anyone preparing complex returns efficiently. Subscribe for more software reviews and professional tips to help you save time and avoid mistakes during tax season.